A security officer employed to bury Lum Limited is in hospital nursing gunshot wounds after his team was attacked in Albion St. Thomas while servicing an automated teller machine on Saturday morning. A civilian was also injured in the incident, the police have confirmed. It is not clear whether the criminals made off with any cash. Observer Online understood that vehicles believed to have been involved in the attack were intercepted Saturday afternoon and men engaged the police in a shootout. The outcome of that shooting is unknown at this time, according to Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay, who heads the Corporate Communication Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. We are trying to confirm whether the money was taken. A short while ago, following the attack on Beryllium, there was an active shooting scene. I am awaiting to hear from investigators to show the outcome, she said. A 37-year-old man is dead and the driver of a Toyota Voxy on the run following a four-vehicle crash on the Great Bridge in Hanover this morning. The dead man has been identified as Randall Paragon Singh of a Hopetoun district in St. James. He was driving a Honda Civic that was reportedly hit by a Toyota Voxy overtaking a Toyota Hiace en route to Opel Hanover from Montego Bay. Paragon Singh died on the spot while occupants of the other vehicles were taken to hospital. An Uzi submachine and 13 rounds of ammunition were seized by police in the Clifton community of St. Catherine on Friday. Reports are that about 10:15 p.m. a team from the Enhanced Security Measure were on operation in the community when lawmen observed 4 men acting in a manner that aroused their suspicion. It is alleged that on the approach of the police, the men ran and a subsequent search of the area was conducted and the weapon seized. Investigations are ongoing. Former Firebrand talk show host, attorney and political party founder Antoinette Orton Cardenas has died. Orton Cardenas, 67, died on Friday in the United States, where she reportedly resided in her later years. Her cause of death is not known at this time, despite media reports suggesting she was battling ill health for some time. Her husband, Osvaldo Cardenas, told reporters in an interview on Friday that he was not aware of her being ill. It was a surprise. She didn't suffer from anything. She didn't even have high blood pressure, he said. He explained that he last spoke to her on Wednesday, and when the family could not communicate with her, relatives in the U.S. went to the house where she was found dead on Friday.